6 beautiful countries in the world. Beauty is subjective and can be found in various aspects of different countries, including landscapes, culture, architecture, and more. Here are 6 countries known for their captivating beauty. Italy. Italy is renowned for its exquisite art, architecture, and historical sites. From the timeless grandeur of Rome and the art-filled streets of Florence to the romantic canals of Venice and the stunning Amalfi Coast, Italy's diverse beauty has captivated travelers for centuries. France. France is celebrated for its sophisticated culture, iconic landmarks, and picturesque countryside. Paris, with the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum, exudes elegance, while the lavender fields of Provence and the fairy tale chateaux of the Loire Valley contribute to France's enchanting beauty. Switzerland. Switzerland's natural beauty is breathtaking, with the Swiss Alps, pristine lakes, and charming villages. The serene landscapes of Interlaken, the cosmopolitan cityscape of Zurich, and the tranquility of Lake Geneva all add to the country's allure. Japan. Japan's beauty lies in its blend of tradition and modernity. The cherry blossoms of spring, historic temples and shrines, serene gardens, and futuristic cityscapes like Tokyo create a unique and visually stunning environment. New Zealand. New Zealand boasts diverse and unspoiled landscapes, from the lush forests and fjords of the South Island to the geothermal wonders of the North Island. The country's dramatic scenery, showcased in The Lord of the Rings films, offers a truly immersive natural beauty. Greece. Greece's beauty is interwoven with its ancient history and Mediterranean charm. The whitewashed buildings of Santorini against the Azure Sea, the iconic Acropolis in Athens, and the idyllic beaches of the Greek islands create a captivating and picturesque atmosphere. Remember, beauty is a matter of personal perception, and there are many more countries around the world that are stunning in their own unique ways.